One of the dancehall artists that he make a song about it. Can't violate no man from down a far quar. The gun them make your man rough life far. I remember who did sing that song. Important announcement. Before we begin, drop a like on the video. That was the announcement. Drop a like on the video. Alright, thank you.
Yes, man.
When the parents say no running in our house, just know it applies to all houses, including the house of the Lord, or Muhammad, or Buddha, or any other name you want to call him. My boss, I hope you got the shot you were scurrying for. I'm not sure if I'm parents asking to do it, but you can tell that he was truly and really overly willing to do it. I don't know where trees and the grass do him, but he nah hold back the wrath.
God go with him, you know.
Unlike this youth. Why I'm generally should have hold back some of your pro NBA ambitions. It don't contest over as soon as it start. One contestant, one winner, 0 injuries. Lucky of that is good. And human beings, well, we're alright. Ish.
There you go.
That's why I say we're alright-ish, because we do some things more while we make it look like the brain operate in a safe mode. Brains operating at full potential, it just don't do things like this.
Why would you do that?
Or this. Huh? Excuse me, sir, before you have your meal, would you like to try our wheel? What wheel? That wheel. I try to figure out if I the restaurant in the road or the road in a restaurant. Either way, that is a marriage that is not compatible and will definitely bring disaster.
Anything sweet you? When sour your ass. Radam! Not it.
Well, I'm generally kind of sad say as you get paid, you have to go pay to fix the people them windshield.
Sour your ass. Radam!
It a go even hotter when it costs more than where you get paid.
Oh my God.
Lose more than you earn, my boy.
Radam!
One man can succeed, dada.
Might leave you scratch your head for you wonder, you know, if any of it did make sense at all. But when you scratch your head, you know, want to keep your head down for too long. Autopilot, him did depend, you know. And you can see, say, as soon as he caught up, it was disengaged. Oblivious to the world and also to the fact that he was being recorded. Maybe if he didn't know, he would have feel a little bit more shame. Because sometimes people record you and other times you capture the failure all on your own. You see, the good thing is, I no grungy drop. The bad thing, I probably make you if you sell, and the people them now go on or broke up pastry feet. Like I know broke it, I go broke up when them put in at them mouth for eating. Speaking of eating,
The top of an onion.
Mima, why are you eating it?
Cause it's good.
Oh my goodness.
this might be the healthiest nonsense I have ever seen.
The top of an onion.
Mima.
Where the bum buck there?
Grandma eats scallion and wheat bread. Grandma headpiece might not have gone fully yet.
Why are you eating it?
Cause it's good.
No! But the taste buds, they have exited the building with no intention of repatriation.
Why are you eating it?
Cause it's good.
Better you go your bed.
Here is food that looks a little bit more normal.
Mara tá? Xixi destruado, you Mara.
Me no know how you do the food gods them, but it look like them a say, you're nothing yam no more. Maybe food poison. Maybe you never contribute enough.
Mara tá?
They must say 1 spoonful of your fair share that. And for your consumption, they wanted to deliver a concussion.
Opa, hey.
You know the thing lick up a chip me.
The message delivered here is that breakfast is ruined and there is no replacement cause all 4 eggs get fried one time.
A mascot. A circus you want.
Boo.
And most of we, all we need is that one time, that one chance.
Boo.
For one door open
Boo.
and we just jump right in.
Bah.
You fucker, you.
You should have pity out.
Bah.
You should have done your due diligence and swallowed it. Had that you did I invite it fine.
Boo. Bah.
To the grasshopper, it either looks or smells like home or is both. And for you, sir, that is no bueno.
Why you do it, John Crow?
And with that said,
That is it.
once again, big up on yourself, people. And probably I wonder where I am somewhere. Near to some water, you know? Get up and come make the video phone. You see me, people. Big up on yourself, man. Soak up the glycine. You know, I'm move out that way so you can see behind me a little bit. Let me move. When I see what I go on. Alright, yeah, drop a like on the video now and share the video and most definitely subscribe. Yeah. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it. So I spend the night. Me soon look more, you see me? When night draw down on them things, but for right now, I could just camp it out right there. So, me soon when me soon look more. Is it? Too crazy out. No gravy. Yo, man, try to that's it. Alright, mosquito. The mosquito, they must have left one, boy, yeah? Because they don't know what I do, don't you, so? I don't belong in them place, yeah? First, them see me. And this a real bad man turf. Far quarry and turf.